Hello everyone, welcome to Sew with Zoba. On today's video, we'll be learning how to sew curves. We can find curves on necklines, armhole, pockets, and many sewing projects. Let's start sewing. So now we are on the machine. So the first thing you need to do is to draw. The first thing you need to do is to draw curve lines on your fabric. I think you can see some chalk markings. Yes, so you draw curve lines with a marker or a tailor's chalk or a pencil, depending on what you're sewing on. Then you lower your presser foot into the fabric. So lower your needle into the fabric, then you bring down the presser foot. Then you start sewing slowly. Start sewing slowly. And as you're sewing, you'll be controlling the fabric, you'll be turning it round gently, slowly. In sewing curve, the slower the better. Don't rush, just take it slowly. You see how I'll sew. Just control your fabric slowly, slowly, slowly. Keep sewing, keep practicing. Don't give up if you don't get it at the first instance. Just continue sewing. Now let's continue sewing. Watch how I am moving the fabric with my hand. Watch how I am moving, spinning, moving it around gently. Watch my hand. So take it slowly. So we've come to the end of sewing this perfect curve lines. Take a look at it. Isn't it beautiful? Are you seeing the curved lines? Seeing how curved it is. So practice this daily and you'll master the art of sewing curved lines. Remember, when sewing curve, slow speed gives better control. Don't rush, don't make it too fast. So practice this until you get comfortable sewing curve. In the next video, I'm going to talk about seam allowances. See you in my next video. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on post notification so you don't miss any of my videos.